this fucking match right here. I'm super excited for this one. And I think everybody knows the reason. Roman Reigns is the reason because यार क्या sexy वाली return थी and this past week on SmackDown. Oh भाई साहब क्या खतरनाक reveal था. Paul Heyman and Roman Reigns finally together and finally guys the unthinkable has happened. Roman Reigns is finally healed. He is finally with Paul Heyman. I do hope they actually deliver. I hope we get to see the complete repackaging of Roman Reigns. एक नया theme song, एक नया ring attire, everything man. Like a complete new Roman Reigns. That would be lit. And I think everybody is excited for this match. And I believe that this right here is actually, you know, the only selling point, the only talking point of this entire pay-per-view. Because I'm pretty much sure everybody is excited to see this match. Especially excited to see Roman Reigns. And match भी खतरनाक होगा because don't forget it's the Fiend, Braun Strowman and Roman Reigns. All three are with full of momentum these days because Braun Strowman ने अभी अपने आप को reinvent किया है, becoming the actual monster. Fiend का तो सभी को पता है and now Roman Reigns with the brand new attitude. All three are dominating. All three are full of momentum. So I really don't know कि कौन जीतेगा इस मैच में personally. I think इस मैच को predict करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है. But I'm gonna say Fiend will retain. मुझे ऐसा लगता है Fiend retain करेगा, पता नहीं क्यों, but I think. और यार थीम, अरे यार मतलब personally I really hope कि सारी expectations meet हों because I personally want to see a brand new theme song and I want the West to go away. Except for that, I am all in for whatever it's gonna, मतलब for everything, basically for everything. कोई भी जीते, कुछ भी हो, I don't give a shit. I need the West gone and I need a new theme song. Anyways, in the ring, it's the Fiend and Roman Reigns currently. The Fiend is dominating the match, but not for long because we're Roman Reigns after all, guys. Oh भाई साहब, kick out पे kick out. I mean counter पे counter, एक और counter by Fiend and down goes Roman Reigns. The Fiend is dominating the early goings of this match. Anyways, मैंने अपनी predictions दे दी already. According to me, Fiend will still be the champion by making Roman look strong, of course, and I think Strowman will take the hit and he will lose the momentum. बाकी आपको क्या लगता है? Who will retain? कौन जीतेगा? किस पर pinfall होगी? मैंने अपनी predictions दे दी हैं. It's time for you. So please make sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe if you're new to the channel as we take down the Fiend. And now I think ये मैच काफी लंबा जाने वाला है by the way because this is triple threat and फर्स्ट फॉल विन्स. तो हमें दोनों बंदों को पहले गिरा के रखना पड़ेगा टू गेट द पिन फॉल बिकॉज नहीं तो पिन फॉल वगैरह वो तोड़ते रहेंगे. इट्स फर्स्ट फॉल टू विन फॉर द यूनिवर्सल चैंपियनशिप एंड द फील्ड ब्रेक्स अप द काउंट. ऑलराइट, तो बेसिकली गाइस लेट मी नो कि आपको रिसेंटली स्मैकडाउन या फिर रॉ कैसी लगी बिकॉज आई बिलीव यार काफी बड़े बड़े चेंजेस ले लिए WWE ने एंड रिसेंटली आई मीन यू कैन क्लियरली सी दैट दे आर डूइंग देयर बेस्ट to be the best once again. And like for example ये Roman Reigns वाला जो किस्सा है पूरा aligning him with Paul Heyman and all, ये बहुत बड़ा creative decision था and they did that. So क्या opinion है? What do you think about that? कैसा लग रहा है? मेरे को तो personally बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है and I'm really excited for the future because काफ़ी कुछ हो सकता है भाई अब. Bam! Like for example there is a lot that can happen now and down goes Fiend and now it's time to put him away with the spear. That's right people, we're winning this one. We're winning this one and a spear but a great counter by the Fiend. Anyways, I was talking about the WWE, but can you imagine the scenarios? Because ab Roman Reigns is a Paul Heyman guy. We all know Brock Lesnar is a Paul Heyman guy. तो eventually in the future we can again see Brock Lesnar versus Roman Reigns, but इस बार का पूरा perspective भी different होगा because Roman Reigns भी badass heel है भाई. So I am excited for the future because काफी interesting scenarios हो सकते हैं. Anyways, let's get back into the ring and let's go for a roll up. Maybe we can get it done. Referee, do the work. 1, 2 and bam. मुझे लगा हो जाएगा. Imagine that happening. That would suck. Anyways, down goes Fiend as Roman Reigns is dominating the match so far. And now Braun Strowman from behind and Strowman is down and out. And now Roman Reigns is looking to put him away with a spear. Can he do it? I think he can do it. Bam! A spear and now let's go for a cover. भाई जल्दी कवर कर ले यार, Fiend उठ जाएगा भाई, जल्दी पिन कर. Alright, let's get it done. Let's get it done. Bam, son. Alright, and now a belly to belly suplex. Now intentions back to Braun Strowman as he counters. ओ भाई साहब, एक के बाद एक मेरे को मूव्स ही पड़े जा रहे हैं भाई. गलत बात है ना यार, ये तो गलत बात है ब्रो. Boy, and a clothesline, and now Braun Strowman looking to hit the 619, I guess. No, just kidding. Anyways, and now, bam, right on the chair, going for the cover. 1, 2, and the Fiend from behind breaks up the pinfall. And now it's the claw. It's the claw. भाई बच गया. मुझे लग रहा था वो 2 मिनट में टैप कर देगा और सीन हो जाएगा. But anyways. It's back to Roman Reigns and Fiend. I think eventually in future we're gonna see one-on-one matches between Roman Reigns and Fiend, which is why I was saying मुझे ऐसा लगता है that Fiend will retain. What do you think is gonna happen? Do you think Fiend and Braun Strowman will get their payback against Roman Reigns? What do you think is gonna happen? Alrighty, that's good. And now it's my time. It's my time, ladies and gentlemen. And now Roman Reigns looking to put him away with the Superman punch. Will it connect? And it does. अबे Roman Reigns कहाँ मार रहा है यार? हमारे we had the perfect opportunity. God damn it. Anyway, the spear from Roman Reigns going for the cover on Braun Strowman. 1, 2, and a kick out. God damn. Oh, no. What the fuck? No. This can't happen, Braun. Braun, you need to wake your ass up. Man. Please. No. अबे बचा ले, ढक्कन बचा ना. I was scared as fuck, man. I was scared as fuck. We could be nearing the end, guys. I don't want it to end like this. No. वैसे अगर ऐसा हो जाए तो exactly मेरी prediction में, that's exactly what I predicted in the real match. As I said, I am expecting Fiend to pin Braun Strowman to retain the championship. That's exactly what happened. I'm okay with this completely. So that was my prediction. Fiend retaining the championship by pinning Braun Strowman. आपकी क्या prediction है? Let me know in the comments. बाकी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो let me know in the comments. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I see you guys in the next one. Man, look at that. सही मैच था यार, back and forth. वही हुआ यार लास्ट में.
Here is your winner.
And the Fiend is still the champion, as you can see. The custom-made championship of the Fiend. Damn. Exactly how I wanted this to happen. Because यही मेरी prediction है for this Monday's payback. So guys, there you have it. The instant classic, as you can see. And I hope you liked it.